Welcome to a new episode of What's News, and today we're gonna talk about a lot of things. So Modern Warfare 2 is getting a remaster apparently. A South Korean ratings board leaked the information on the website. It's just the campaign for now, but it might actually have the multiplayer later on. Cause you remember the original Modern Warfare, not the one that came out this year. That one came out with a campaign and the multiplayer too. But in the meantime, we'll keep playing Warzone and getting wrecked in the gulag. Windows is getting attacked again. There are two remote code execution vulnerabilities that can be found when some documents, malicious documents of course, are previewed with the Windows Explorer preview pane. If you don't know what that is, it's like the little window on the side of the file explorer that shows you what the text inside a file is, and if it's a picture, it shows you what the picture looks like. But yes, the issue can be found in the latest versions of Windows and previous versions too, but in the latest versions of Windows it has limited capabilities, so it can just do little stuff to your computer. But I'm sure Microsoft is gonna update it. But in the meantime, we have to update our computers. Always update, don't skip an update. Folding at Home, a distribution computing project. Basically, it's a project where people like you and me, or me and you, run protein simulations on our own computers to help find the cure of different diseases like cancer or the current one, which is bad. Well, Folding at Home has now surpassed 470 petaflops of computer power. I have no idea what that is, but I think it's a lot because according to the director, that's more than 2 times the performance of the top supercomputer. That's a lot. That's a lot. Which means that Folding at Home is the largest supercomputer in the world. What a day to be alive. Half-Life Alyx, more like Half-Life 1.5, I guess, since it's the prequel of Half-Life 2 and sequel of Half-Life 1. I'm not sure, because I haven't played it, so yeah. The game is out now. Well, it has been for a few days, but it's on VR, so poor people like me don't get to play it. But anyways, Valve wants to make VR mainstream, and to achieve that, they made one of the most popular games and most wanted games a VR exclusive. I think that's a great move. The game costs a good $60 and it has extremely positive reviews on Steam. I guess people like it. Probably because it's the closest thing they're gonna have of Half-Life 3. The game looks great, not gonna lie. I've been watching some Let's Plays because I don't have a VR, so I have to watch Let's Plays for that. I also don't have money to buy it. And speaking about not having money, Minecraft, it doesn't have anything to do with what I said, but Minecraft is being used to be antisocial like me. Not really, but Polish students are being encouraged to play Minecraft instead of going out. The Polish government created a Minecraft server to help kids with their socializing things by doing it online while playing Minecraft. That's awesome. Never saw this day coming. Like, the government is telling it's telling you to play games. Wow. The server includes many fun but educational, of course, activities such as game jams, quizzes, and more of that good stuff. Back in my days, people wanted me to go outside and play with grass and eat dirt, and now they just want me to play Minecraft, I guess. I cannot eat dirt, but I can place dirt. That works. Apple is back again, but this is not good. No good, no bueno. iOS 13 has big problems now. Some iPad and iPhone users are experiencing issues with personal hotspot and cellular data performance. Oof, no, Apple, no. Apparently, Apple did not explicitly state these issues with the public, but to their Apple authorized service providers, and told them to expect more traffic because of these issues appearing in the new version of iOS. People with the personal hotspot bug encounter frequent disconnections or not being able to connect at all. and those with a cellular data bug experience issues with their internet connection being slow or unstable if not connected to Wi-Fi, of course. Apple suggests that you turn off and on your personal hotspot to fix this issue temporarily, but for the cellular data one there's no fix for that, so you are with that issue, so you have to wait until they patch it. But you know what I can't fix? This episode of What's News, because it's broken, and because it's broken I have to end it here, so goodbye.